Sorry about that. Trying to get it not as... Hi! I have a small one. I'm expecting another one tomorrow. This is my thing. This is my package. It's all cute and looks like it's wrapped up in a purple thing or not. Container thing. Yay! It's the cup hands in cocoa. I got them off eBay. Of course, they're Culture Japan hands. I have some. Oh, I have some thinking of, I have these. I'm thinking of doing the fingernails with these ones, but I have so many cocoa girls that, you know, so yay. All right, I'll see you next time. And I have head caps coming from a 3D printer seller who I always get from. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello, this is my last package for this video. It's from eBay, Etsy. They're head caps. They're 3D head caps. There's one. There's two. There's three. And the last one. Yay. Now all my heads have head caps. And this says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." And this is her LilCodiMuffin's Dollhouse. LilCodiMuffin's Dollhouse on Instagram. It's backwards, sorry. Maybe. It looks like it's backwards to me. And here's the other stuff. I'll have it on the bottom. Thank you. Bye.